Hello guys, welcome back. Konbanwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, let's talk about Faraday Future. The ticker is FFIE. We had yesterday here 7% plus, not too much, but a very important information here based on the chart. Now in the pre-market you can see we start to dip a little bit, nothing special guys. I will show you here in the chart that we still have some kind of support, but of course, as we know, the open gaps to the downside are waiting guys, and yeah, there is a very good chance that we see a post squeeze here. I will, as I said, show you everything here in the chart. I also informed my members here. I'm uploading a lot of member stocks here guys as well, also for GameStop, AMC and other stocks of course. And yeah, I said already here we have here a 100% swing trade for GameStop, and this swing trade was just executed perfectly guys by the price action yesterday. So if you don't want to miss these kind of member content guys, check out here the links in the video description. There you get access to my memberships. The Elite Circle membership on YouTube has access to all member videos and my so-called hot stocks, or on Patreon as well. There I have the Ultimate Black Belt membership. This is a little bit more popular because I also post their swing trade alerts. So these are screenshots here where you get some tickers, yeah, where I say the buy-in levels here, the stop loss and so on. And this is just one example where a stock squeezed 119% after my post guys. The links are here in the video description guys. Yeah, Faraday Future guys. So where to start, good or the bad news? The bad news is, so when I enable now here the drawings, then you can see, yeah, nothing changed. My charts are always the same. Yeah, I predicted here already 3 squeezes for Faraday Future in the past before we had this massive 10,000% squeeze. And still guys, yeah, nothing changed. The main resistance level here, one of the main resistance levels in the chart, is this red line here, 76 cents. And what we cannot see in the daily chart, but what we can see in the 4 hours chart, so that's why I switch now here to the 4 hours chart. Trading is not that difficult if you know how to read charts, and when you know how the algos works, how they, you know, how they work on each price level, on each algo level here. That's why I always like to work with the Fibonacci retracement. We can really rely on that. This is nothing what I say. This is what the chart is saying, guys. And I just show you here what the chart is telling us. And of course, everything what I say here is not a financial advice, guys. Yeah. And you can see my price level here. As I said, I never touched or changed this line. 0.76 cents, or in best, also to be precise, 76.76. When we now zoom in, what happened yesterday, guys? Exactly, was 100% on the dot here. You can see that this is not a coincidence. It is very predictable what happened here. So they tried 2 times to break this price level, got rejected, and this is of course not bullish, guys. But anyhow, we're still trading here in the green liquidity zone. I said that already. Everything between 44 cents and 76 cents is more or less bullish, because we have here a strong support and a strong resistance. You can see as soon as the price tried to break this price level here, we got rejected a few times, and that initiated here a further sell-off after the massive short squeeze as soon as we came back here in this liquidity zone, and especially over 76 cents, guys. We could see here a massive short squeeze. So why is it still bullish? Why is it not bearish yet? Of course, it's not bullish when we see the pullback from the, let's call it here, not all-time high, but the squeeze high here was $3.90. And when we see the massive pullback, guys, which is absolute normal, this here was a squeeze. Now we had a pullback in total of 90% when we measured it from the squeeze level, and we're still trading here minus 84% below the previous squeeze level. When I now enable here the indicators, then you can see, guys, that we still trading here. We still have support on the black EMA line in the 4 hours chart, not in the daily chart. This is the 200 days moving average in the 4 hours chart, and this is a very important support. That was, by the way, the same for GameStop. GameStop hold the support and had done a 100% squeeze yesterday in the pre-market, and you can see Faraday Future is still holding this price level. What does that mean? The short sellers will try to bring the price below 54, the price stand today 55 cents, guys. Keep that in mind. 55 cents is a very important support. If this support breaks, guys, yeah, then we will start to see the down gaps getting closed. We already had an attempt here in the 4 hours chart to close this down gap here at 36 cents. So I have to switch now one more time here to the daily chart, that you can see that We have this open gap at 35.98. This is one of the open gaps, and there is still one open gap at 7 cents. But I think, guys, if they start to close this gap here at 35 cents, I'm still saying that this is still my opinion. This is how I trade Faraday Future the next time. I think we will have a quite big bounce as soon as we come here between 30 and 20 cents. However, guys, it's still a risky play. Faraday Future is not Nasdaq compliant yet. They have an extension from the hearing panel, so it is possible, guys, that this stock still gets delisted. Yeah, we have now here, of course, a huge market capital based on the actual price action here. Yes, but it's still a very risky play. We are not trading over $1. We couldn't hold the price over $1 for 10 consecutive business days in a row. That means this is still missing here. So please be very careful here with this ticker. The volatility is, of course, the potential for more volatility is still there. No doubt that we will see a big squeeze incoming here, but I don't talk here about $100. When I say a big squeeze, then I focus here on the price levels in the chart, which means the open gap here at $1.13, the golden pocket here between $1.20 and $1.52. Also, guys, was exactly on the dot, the same what GameStop did yesterday. Yeah, I can show you that here in the chart. In the 4 hours chart, GameStop retested the 0.5 Fibonacci level, and when you cannot see that now, this is a screenshot, but on the daily chart, we exactly 100% on the dot hit the golden pocket, guys. That's why I think, in my opinion, yeah, this is not a financial advice. This is how I trade Faraday Future. The price has a very good chance to come back here to $1.30, $1.52, and in best case, $1.98. Yeah, here this is the absolute limit which I see. If we should come back over $2.15, guys, then it gets really interesting, because then that could trigger again a massive squeeze, and this squeeze could be bigger than $3.90. But as I said, we have to close. Very important, yeah, not in the pre-market, not in the aftermarket. We have to close with a daily candle over $2.15 if we want to see a much bigger squeeze incoming for Faraday Future. It is possible because of the volume. It is possible. If I just see the chart, how the price reacted here, we had already here the Fibonacci retest in the 4 hours chart. I told that in my previous video. That was a perfect swing trade here. We came back to the 786 retracement here, the red line in the chart, not my resistance line. I talk here about the Fibonacci level. We came back and then had the perfect, absolute perfect retest here of this Fib level. This is how we trade these stocks here. This is also what I teach my members. That was here a 200% squeeze, guys. Perfect. And then we come down, but still in the daily chart, we have a very, very good chance to come back here to $1.20 and $1.52. As I said, in best case, $2. If we close over $2.15, guys, then that could be very volatile, and then we could see a bigger short squeeze for Faraday Future, guys. Yeah, I hope that was helpful here. I always say that you can copy, of course, here the price levels in my chart. This is where the resistance and the support lines are waiting. So support is between 30 cents and 20 cents. Biggest resistance, guys, is 76 cents, and then $2.15. Here are two very strong resistance levels. Everything here between is possible based on the volatility, based on the volume. So if you want to copy here these lines, guys, these price levels, you can pause the video right now. I use here always TradingView for my charts and videos, guys, and also for my own trades. I have a discount link here in the video description. When you use this link, you save $15 on your TradingView subscription, and I always recommend for beginners and advanced traders, guys, start with the Plus subscription. You can upgrade later still to the premium one, but the Plus subscription is enough to start, guys. Also, as I said, the links to my memberships are here in the video description, guys. I also have a very, very interesting stock here, which we are playing right now here, 15,000% squeeze potential, even bigger than Faraday Future, and I will also make an update here very, very soon, since the price came a little bit down and we are now near to our price level, guys. If you want to see these tickers, guys, use the links in the video description for the memberships. Guys, I wish you great success with Faraday Future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Einen wunderschönen Abend. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care, guys. Bye, bye.